press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi dear viewers, in this video I am going to unbox and review MI Power Bank 2i. Let's unbox it. I purchased it from MI official website. Now let's take a physical overview. On the top there are two USB outputs and a micro USB input. Over the micro USB there is LED power indicators which are comfortable and pleasing to the eyes. Personally I like that. Their functionalities are optimized for minimal battery drainage unlike a lot of other power banks in the market. On the front, MI logo is carved and on the bottom, as you can see, short specification is mentioned. The power bank comes with only white color. It has smooth surface with tiny lumps which help in gripping and has an extremely sturdy build with smooth edges on the longer sides. The exterior physical dimension is 149.5 mm tall, 69.6 mm wide, and the thickness is of 23.9 mm. The device itself is extremely powerful, capable of charging all the devices including a phone, a tablet, and a Bluetooth speaker several times over before completely discharging. It is little heavier than others as it has 20,000 mAh high-density lithium polymer batteries. The power bank offers more charges on the go and does it way faster, all thanks to single-port quick charge 3.0 support. It supports dual USB output without compromising on the size and the performance. You can charge two devices simultaneously or extend your power with others in need. When you charge two devices simultaneously, you can expect 5.1 volt dual output. In case you want to charge up your device quickly, you need to use single charging port. If you want to charge your low power devices such as Bluetooth headsets, fitness bands, then simply double press the power button to enter 2-hour low power charging. The 20,000 mAh power bank having the weight of 358 grams, you can carry it anywhere without adding extra bulk. That's it. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section below. I will not ask you to like or dislike the video. All I want you to subscribe my channel and share this video.